Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the REE board examination. So yung problem natin is from past experience. It is known that 90% of one-year-old children can distinguish their mother's voice from the voice of a similar sounding female. So a random sample of 20 one-year-old children is given voice recognition test. Let the random variable x denote the number of children who do not recognize their mother's voice. So find the variance of x. Okay, let's try to solve this problem using our conventional solution. So before that, ito yung mga random sample children natin. So disclaimer, hindi ko pag-aari itong video na to. So credit to the rightful owner ng video na to. So para ma-solve natin tong problem na to, kailangan natin gamitin tong formula na to. So sigma is equal to the square root of NPQ, where yung sigma natin is the standard deviation, N is the number of sample, P is the probability of success, and Q is the probability of failure. Tapos yung probability of failure natin is equal to the 1 minus the probability of success, or Q is equal to 1 minus P. And then yung variance natin is equal to the square root of our standard deviation, or sigma squared. Okay, let's use our formula. Sigma is equal to square root of NPQ. Sigma is equal to N. So yung number of one-year-old children na ginawang sample natin is 20. So sabi dito sa problem is we have a random sample of 20 one-year-old children. So let's substitute N is equal to 20. And then times P, which is the probability of failure. So sabi dito sa problem, 90% daw yung probability na yung one-year-old children can distinguish their mother's voice. So therefore, yung probability of success natin dito is 0.9. And then times Q, which is our probability of failure. And then yung probability of failure natin is 1 minus P. So we have 1 minus the probability of success, that is 0.9. So therefore, sigma is equal to square root of 20 times 0.9 times 1 minus 0.9. So using your calculator, so square root of 20 times 0.9 times 1 minus 0.9. So we will arrive sigma is equal to 1.3416. Since yung sigma na, yung value yung result natin na 1.3416 is our standard deviation, but since variance yung hinahanap sa problem, so let's use this formula. So variance is equal to the standard deviation squared. Then let's substitute. P is equal to sigma natin is 1.3416, then squared natin. So using your calculator, ang makukuha nating sagot dito is 1.8. So therefore, ito yung ating final answer. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and maraming salamat sa panunood. See you next time.